What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As y'all know, I said on my last video that I was gonna do the nitrous setup. I finally got the nitrous in. I didn't really record the process of me doing it for the reason that it's the first time I do a nitrous kit, and I don't want to walk y'all through it because I had a hard time doing it. So I was gonna look like a dummy on camera, so I didn't want to do that. But as y'all can see down here, right here, this is the activate switch, and then this is, well, the button. You click it like this and it activates the nitrous. It shoots nitrous to the truck. Yeah, so this is a stock one. I have to swap it out for a different one for a button like this because it's very fragile. So if I have it on and I don't pay attention on how I grab it, I can possibly shoot nitrous. Well, I mean, I can't shoot nitrous without me being ready. So I don't know if y'all remember, well, on one of my first videos, there was a guy, he had a 6.4 Challenger, 6.4 Challenger, back when I was stock, and he smoked me, and I hit him up again. He's got a 392 scat pack, so he doesn't know that I'm packing nitrous. He thinks he can beat me. Hopefully I'll beat him. Well, I think I'm gonna beat him. So yeah, so the only thing now is that my motor doesn't blow up, which is shit. It's only a 100 shot. I'm only spraying a 100 shot. 100 shot is safe. So yeah, so it's gonna be a nitrous truck versus a 392 Hemi. So let's get into this one. You ready? Yeah?
I heard it though.
Yeah, guys, so that was a 100 shot. Normally I don't beat 392s. I'm gonna do a NA, like a no-nitrous, and he doesn't know. So I'm about to give him that one. I'm gonna ask him what's up. Hey, do you want to honk that one next time? So you know when to take off? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. He ain't happy.
He's mad?
I can tell. I can tell. Alright. A little more? Right there. You honk it.
Honk it?
Yeah. I sprayed it, but only right now at the end. Nah, I don't know.
I think he's a little. He's probably just surprised and a little upset. But.
And okay, and like I said, on the second one, I didn't spray off the hole. The first one I did. I sprayed actually all the way. It's only a 100 shot. I thought I was gonna feel a difference. I didn't feel shit, to be honest with you. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, cause he honked it, and I actually waited for him to like step on it, and like that's when I stepped on it. So I can hopefully, I don't know.
You're just
I'll do burnout.
That's to get a grip, right?
Yeah, so whenever you do burnout, you catch them grips.
That's a nice car.
Hold on. Yeah, whenever you do a good burnout like that. You honk it!
How you doing?
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll look around. Alright guys, so 5-0 pulled up. 5-0 as in the car, not as in the truck, not the police. He just told me he's got a tune by Midnight Performance, aka Lund. He's doing a quick burnout record. Alright, so on that one I did an 8.5. He did give me at the top. Like I said, the bottle isn't accurate, so right now. Alright, so we're gonna do another one. So guys, for y'all that don't know about the Fords, those make like, I want to say 390 to the crank. These make 350 to the crank. That and that Boss manifold, because he's got a Boss manifold Lund tune, which he's one of the best ones out there. Alright guys, so that was a no-nitrous pool. Nitrous pool is coming, so that was just a little baseline. So yeah, so he kind of pulled pretty hard on me. He kept like what, like two, 3 cars on me. Not bad for 5.7 camped out. So So yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico right now, and we are gonna do some digs, and I'm gonna open up a bottle because you know I don't play fair. Yeah, so let's get into this one. I'm doing it in reverse.